How to disable YouTube Shorts on Android. This tutorial shows you how to hide shorts from your YouTube feed and home screen. First, open the YouTube app on your device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top right. From there, tap on Settings. At this point, tap on Time Management. In the next step, look for the Toggle on Shorts Feed Limit. Following this, set the limit to 0 minutes and refresh your homepage. Once done, go back to your YouTube home screen to check if a shorts shelf is gone. From here, keep in mind this setting mainly hides shorts from your feed, but the Shorts tab may still appear in your bottom navigation depending on your app version. At this stage, if you'd like to reduce Shorts recommendations further, tap on any Shorts video that does appear, tap the 3 dots, and select Not Interested. Keep in mind, doing this repeatedly helps train YouTube's algorithm to show you fewer Shorts over time. Finally, exit back to your home screen once you've adjusted these settings. And that's it. If this guide helped you disable YouTube Shorts on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.